play. Classroom Moms have 1,800 points. Puppet People are ahead at 2,900 points. Whichever team has more points after this round will play our bonus round for a chance at $15,000. This round is round 3. It's the last round. Correct answers are now worth 300 points. If you run the board this time like you did, 3,000 bonus points. All right, that's going to be hard to beat. Either one of these teams could do that. They're both excellent, excellent teams. Puppet People, we're going to start with you. You are ahead. Max, as the third player, you're going to start things for us. You ready for that?
Ready.
Let's do it. 30 seconds on the clock. We asked America. My athletic friend likes to show off by doing a blank. Show off move from your athlete friend. Top 7 answers. Go.
Cartwheel. Backflip. Push-up. Pull-up. Homer. Headstand. Flipping.
Monster crawl.
Flex.
Motorboat.
Muscle.
More. Muppet.
Time's up. Almost had it. Almost did it again. That did do you a lot of favors here. Deep in round 3, that was 6 correct, 300 points apiece for those. You're way up to 4,700 points. What a score. Rihanna, they tried every word in the English language that began with M, and they still didn't say it. So what do you think that might be?
I think we are going to go with muscle up.
Muscle
Like-
up. Oh, a muscle
Like
up.
a-
All right, all right.
Like a muscle up.
Let's try it. I don't have very high hopes for muscle up, but I'm going to pull it up anyway. Let's see for 300 points. Is it muscle up? Not a muscle up. Audience?
Marathon.
Hey, that's got to be it. Let's see if it's up there. Marathon. Yeah. All right, Classroom Moms, here's the score. 1,800 over here, 4,700 across the street. It looks hopeless, but it's not. It happens all the time on the show, and they often win, people in your position, because they run the board, which you've just been circling the whole time you've been out here on this stage. They did it once, and so I think you can do this, okay? Let's do it. Tina, it starts with you. For the game, possibly, we asked America. Bruce Springsteen makes me think of blank. He's associated with Bruce Springsteen. Top 7 answers. Go.
Born in the USA. New Jersey. Tampa Bay.
Born to Run. The Boss.
Soul Baba.
Tight Pants.
E Street Band.
Music.
Guy. Guitar.
You did it! You're on the board! 3,000 bonus points means you've won the game. The Classroom Moms are heading off to our bonus round for a chance at $15,000. Don't go anywhere.
It's a game show gift of puzzle-loving perfection.
You got me too excited.
America Says, all news weeknights at 9, only on Game Show Network.
Humera patients, you inspire us. The way you triumph over adversity and live your lives. That's why we redesigned Humera. We wanted to make the experience better for you. Now there's less pain immediately following injection. We've reduced the size of the needle and removed the citrate buffers. And it has the same effectiveness you know and trust. Humera Citrate Free is here.